Hey, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Dreadlocks. I'm Gunther the Great, and today we're going to be looking at something that I seen on Instagram. But before we get into it, make sure to go follow the Dreadlocks Instagram page, and make sure to tag at Dreadlocks if you want to be featured on any of these videos, or even on the website, which is dreadlocks.com, which holds all Dreadlock products, all Dreadlock tutorials, and everything like that. You can go check it out. And in all my videos, if I mention a product, it's always going to be on dreadlocks.com. But you guys, today I was on the home page on Instagram, and boom. Bearded dreadlocks. Now, I've seen this before, but I've seen it with people that have a full head of dreads and then they have dreadlocks in their beard. And there's nothing wrong with being bald with having it either, but this is really interesting. Now, comment down below if you've ever seen a locked beard before. I've seen a few, but it really looks like he's even going through like all the maintenance and everything like that. Like, you can zoom in and see that like he has to actually go through the whole process, and of course you got to do that. This is kind of the progress of the maintenance. And you can see that it's all the way down to the root of his beard. Now, the separation looks a whole lot different than if it were to be on top of your head, because it doesn't even look like they're all the way down to the root, and it does look like they're doing interlocking. So they're doing root flipping, which is another word for interlocking, and that's basically just threading the tip of the dreadlock through the roots. And you can do that with the interlocking tool. You can pick those up on dreadlocks.com. I'll leave a link down below. But the funny thing is like, yo, I'm gonna do a dread check on this, and we're gonna rate them and see what the deal is. So I think this is Instagram. So in the photos that I was looking at, they looked kind of thin, but yeah, his dreadlocks are looking good. One thing that you will notice and why there isn't that great of separation is because he's choosing interlocking to do the maintenance. And interlocking won't give you a clean looking root. If you want a maintained looking, good separations on the root, you want to do twisting with gel. But interlocking, it does instantly lock up the dreads. If you don't want to go all the way down to the root and have your scalp showing, or in this case your chin showing, as far as how much you can see of the skin, then you would want to do interlocking, because it really doesn't show any scalp. It kind of just gives it more of a natural look, even though the dreadlocks have more of a less natural look, but it gives your scalp more of a natural look. And the cool thing about interlocking is you can instantly lock up your dreadlocks at the root with just literally flipping your roots, like I said, with the interlocking tool. But I can say that it's pretty interesting seeing a beard. It looks like he has about, I would say, 10 dreadlocks. It will be cool to see how long he allows it to get. I want to see when he started them. So it looks like his dreadlocks been through a lot. Like right here, it looks like some aren't even there. Looks like some may have fallen out, and that could happen. Maybe he reattached some, because it looks like he has a bunch now, unless that was a really long time ago. But yeah, right here, it looks like he has more. So I'm assuming that either his beard stretched out when he locked up the new growth, or he just installed extensions, which was probably his real hair that probably just fell out because of either breakage or thinning out. But as far as a locked beard, what would I give it? I mean, for a locked beard, I'd give it a 7. I'd give it a good 7. Considering there's probably not that many locked beards, I'm gonna try to look it up. So right here we have a dreadlock beard, and I would say that the first one we've seen, I would rate it better. This one's probably about maybe a 4, unfortunately. But I personally just don't like color in dreadlocks. See, I've seen dreadlocks like this, or people that have just like a single dread of a beard, and this is pretty clean. Like, he has like, some beard of new growth and the dreadlocks. I'll give this about, I would say, a 7 as well. I feel like my judgment is skewed though, because like I would never get a dreadlock beard. So maybe I should be judging at a different rate. Like, whatever I'm saying, probably add a 1 to that. But you guys, this is really interesting. What if we see a whole bunch more people doing this? And obviously this isn't something brand new. People have been doing this for, ever. But do you think this is something that a lot of people will start doing? Would you do it? Comment down below if you would do it. I know for me, like, I'm gonna grow a beard one of these days, but I don't know when. But it's pretty interesting because your beard typically has a different texture than your hair on your head. So it is interesting seeing people get dreadlock beards. Like I said, I'll rate this a 7, but you can add whatever you want to it because my judgment is skewed. But it's pretty interesting. It's pretty cool to see that someone will be like, you know what, I want to wear a beard with dreadlocks. But you guys, that's today's video. Make sure to tag at Dreadlocks on Instagram if you want to be featured. And don't forget to follow Dreadlocks, and check out the website dreadlocks.com for all your dreadlock products and all dreadlock tutorials. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. Other than that, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.